Here we are, Saks Fifth Avenue at the Gardens Mall in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. Check out way up here. Vector. See if you can hear it. Oh wow, this is honestly really nice. Oh yeah, this is honestly really nice. Upper. Lower level. Upper mall. Or upper level. Nope. Look at that button. Nope. Look at this cow. Honestly, it's pretty nice. There we go. Look at this COP. It is very golden. Probably one of the nicest Montgomery COPs I've ever seen in person. Gotta get the front box open. Nope. Let's go ahead and ring the chime. Listen to this. There we go, I had to fix this button. These computer-esque buttons. And there goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.